What's good, everybody? I'm STEDYMOVES, and this massive fourplex behind me is called 4 Seasons. Come join me and my team this Friday from 5 to 7 to have an open house here at 4 Seasons.
My nail tech knows how to keep it a little secret.
Averaging over $20,000 a month, this 4 Seasons fourplex will bring you the cash-on-cash return that you've been looking for. Call now realtors and real estate investors. This is an open house you don't want to miss. 20 grand, 30 grand, 40 grand a month during the high season. 4 Seasons will provide you that. We're selling the entire building or each unit to individual investors. This is your chance to earn the best cash-on-cash return real estate has to offer today. Don't forget to DM me Turnkey B&B for your personal invitation to 4 Seasons Open House. STEDYMOVES, what type of time you on? Let's get it.